The Level Mount Medium Full Motion TV Wall Mount displays TVs 23 to 55 inches and holds up to 75 pounds. The two-piece design with medium extension arms that swivels, pans, and tilts has a matte black powder coat finish for both indoor and outdoor use. The cord management system neatly gathers and routes cords for a clean look. This mount can be mounted to wood, concrete, or metal, fits a variety of mounting patterns, and includes bayonet extensions to reach large VESA patterns. Level mount packaging is 100% recyclable and has a limited lifetime warranty with a $2,000 limited protection plan. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.levelmount.com.